Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is cleaning a video. I am cleaning my master bathroom. It is a deep clean and I thought I'm gonna film it and motivate you to maybe do the same. I always start from the top, so I go from the mirrors and then down to the countertops, and then I'm gonna clean my cabinets. Since we are in a flu season, I am using some stronger cleaners. On my mirror, I am using the spray away glass cleaner, and on my countertops, I'm going to be using the Method antibacterial cleaner in a citrus scent. I really like that one, and I feel like it really disinfects everything. So even though I like maybe some fall scents, I love Mrs. Meyer's fall scents, and I saw them at Target, I just decided not to buy any of those because I really needed something that's gonna disinfect things in my house. Plus, I already had this one on hand and I did not want to spend any more money until I'm done using this one, until I empty it out.
You win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. You're more to me than just a friend. I'm telling you, I'm not doing this again. I'll let you win. I'ma let you win. Yeah. Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart.
I would like to take a little bit of time just to thank you for being part of my channel. Thank you for watching this particular video and my other videos as well, for taking time to comment on my videos. It really means a lot to me. And if you're new, if this is your first time on my channel, I would like for you to introduce yourself in the comments. I always like to meet new people. I like to hear more about you. So just say hi and say you're new and a few words about yourself. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm gonna insert a picture over here with my handle so you can go ahead and see what I post over there. Let's become friends and let's connect over there too.
Someone told me, dance it off. Don't you know we're all disposable? It don't matter, break your cuffs. We go on and we will never stop. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall calling. I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me. Yeah, where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the
The most cleaning was needed in my shower, especially on the bottom part of my shower. As you can see, it is pretty dirty. I told you in my last shower cleaning video that these tiles on the bottom on the floor are so pretty, but they're so easy to get dirty. If you remember a few videos back, I had a video about cleaning my microwave and my oven, and I used these super clean products, and I decided to try them on my shower as well. I was using just a regular liquid cleaner, and I diluted it per chart the way it was supposed to be diluted for the tiles. Since it was my first time, I wasn't sure how it's gonna react and how it's gonna clean. But even you will be able to see it in this video. As soon as it started to clean, you could see how easy the dirt comes off. I don't know what is it about these products, but they're really amazing, and I was able to clean my shower tiles so fast and so easy like I never had before. In my previous shower cleaning video, I showed you that I used to use the bleach, and I had to use some abrasive products in order to clean this perfectly. But having this now, I'm gonna need only this one product, and it's gonna be easy to clean from now on. So again, I definitely recommend these products. You gotta try them. I am positive you're gonna love them. And since these products are bleach free, they do not have that strong smell like bleach has, and it was very refreshing and very easy to clean. This time I did not have to open the windows in order to vent it and get a fresh air in my bathroom. So you will definitely see me using these products from now on, since I like them, and like I said, you will not regret it trying them. If you see them anywhere in the store, or you can definitely order them through Amazon or through their website. I'm gonna link everything in the description box down below, and you guys can check it out.
Somewhere deep in my mind, see the barbed wire. The place is grown all wide, 'cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if they really care. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but let's not go there. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how.
My shower door was not in a really bad condition. I mean, you could see the smudges and everything, but we do use a squeegee after every showering, so the buildup is not there. We're making sure we clean that everything off, but you could still see a little bit of residue left, and I used again diluted super clean to clean it off, and it came off right away.
Minds begin to shrink when everyone is too fake. Your hope eventually sinks, 'cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if there's a way out. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but I won't have it. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight. I'm
I know toilet is not anybody's favorite to clean, and I'm sorry I had to show you that, but I wanted to also ask you. You can tell me in the comments down below, how do you clean your toilet? Do you clean it from the top to bottom or bottom to top? I usually start from the top, and especially cleaning the seat, I like to clean it from the top to the bottom, because that way I start with a clean cloth on a top where we're gonna sit. And also I wanted to ask you, have you ever tried those disinfecting wipes on a toilet? Because I've seen in a couple of videos that some moms using it. I wanted to try it. The only thing left to clean are my floors, and you can see over here that the grout on my tiles gets very dirty, especially on certain places where we walk a lot. And I wanted to clean it, and I wanted to try super clean cleaner on it. And as you can see, I sprayed it a few times and I used my brush lightly, and it came off right away. So this just shows that this cleaner is good for multiple surfaces, and I really like it.
It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know you got me going.
Okay, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you got motivation to clean your house too. I would like to hear from you in the comments. What is your favorite cleaning product? Do you use only one or two for the whole house, or do you like different kinds for different surfaces in your home? Also, have you ever tried Super Clean? If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. And if you're not part of my channel yet, I would love to have you. So please click that red subscribe button and enjoy my future videos. I really hope to see you soon. Bye guys.
He looks at me like I know what he's